IoT, interaction between human and machine that unlock possibilities. Imagine an agricultural field in which devices evaluating soil moisture and watering accordingly, or irrigation is not done when it is predicted to be raining, and thus saving the water and increasing production capabilities without any human interaction. An animal farm where each animal is monitored individually and has a personalized feeding and medical regime. A refrigerator that informs you if your milk is running low or that knows your diet better than your personal doctor. A wristband communicating with the nearest hospital if your heart rate goes low, and an ambulance taking you to the same in no time, saving your life. A car that identifies and avoids patches in the road. But the ramifications of IoT go much further than this. Interesting, isn't it? The next frontier, the Internet of Things, is set to transform many aspects of our lives. Now, what actually is IoT? The Internet of Things is a network of physical objects, system platforms and applications that contain embedded technology to communicate and share intelligence with each other and with people. As related systems connected with each other, they become an intelligent system of systems. Why we must acknowledge IoT? The Internet of Things industry is primed to shape how we function as a society over the next few years. From wearables to telematics to smart homes, businesses and consumers alike are captivated by the technology's potential. In just 1 year alone, we went from having 5 million IoT devices connected to the Internet to billions. By 2020, there will be 20.4 billion connected devices. Analysts project that by 2025, data from connected devices will yield insights driving potential economic value of as much as $11 trillion. The IoT market in the Middle East and North Africa is predicted to reach $12.62 billion by 2021, whereas in India it is expected to reach $15 billion by 2020. There are currently only 300,000 developers contributing to the IoT, but 4.5 million will be needed by 2020. The Internet of Things is spawning the next industrial revolution. Are you ready to build your own career?